The APH Power Select is an environmental control unit that enables users to communicate and control electrical and battery-operated toys, appliances, and devices. Complete the following steps to test that your APH Power Select is working properly. To ensure that the outlet is ready for use, we need to start by resetting it. First, set the Power Select function to Direct by turning the dial at the bottom of the device. Direct is labeled as the second notch on the dial. Next, set the Power Select function to Latch by turning the dial at the bottom of the device. Latch is labeled as the third notch on the dial. Now, activate the switch. In this example, you will do so by pressing the big yellow button on the attached switch. After that, press the Reset button on the outlet. Of the two buttons between the outlet ports, Reset is on top. Follow the same 4 steps for both outlets. This ensures that the outlets are active when the Reset button is pressed. Once you have ensured that the Power Select outlets have been reset and are ready for use, you may now test the Power Select with an appliance of your choice, following these 3 steps. First, plug your appliance into one of the outlets. Because the outlets were reset, the appliance you choose should now have power. If you hear a click when plugging the appliance in, it means there was a short and the outlet circuit breaker tripped for protection. If you do not hear a click, turn the appliance on. Next, plug your appliance into the other outlet. If your appliance works in one outlet but does not work in the other, it could mean that one of the outlets in the Power Select is not working properly. If the appliance does not work in either outlet, you may have a faulty appliance. Finally, reset both outlets again and test both with another appliance. If your second appliance works in both outlets, your first appliance most likely has a short, and you should consider discarding it. If your second appliance only works in one or neither outlet, then the Power Select likely needs repair. For repairs, please reach out to the APH customer service by calling 800-223-1839 or email cs@aph.org.